it goes down. I'm gonna make some Creole red beans and rice, but I'm gonna put seafood in mine. I'm using Tony's because I'm cheating today, and let's get it fired up. And my dogs are outside barking like, fun, 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 fun. That's what I'm doing. For a sauce I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to replicate Papa's Alexander sauce. Alright, isn't that beautiful? Letting it cook down some. Once it cooks down a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and squirt a little bit of this minced and pureed garlic. It'll go really good, but I don't want it to burn, so I'm putting it in there. Good handful of dried parsley. And at this point, I take it off the heat, drop in my garlic, put it back on, mix it in really well, and then we'll add our water. Okay, I've added my water. I have a big family, house full of men that are all 6'3" and up. So therefore, I have to add more rice. Incorporate it, put a little bit more water, put the lid over it, and we'll let it chill and hang out. Open my back burner, okay. With the gas stove, y'all know sometimes it don't want to work. Put that on the back stove, and I'm gonna start with it. I put it on this stove because I'm gonna go ahead and start with it, but y'all, I went through hell, almost burnt my freaking hands off trying to get this burner lit. If you have a gas stove. Okay, Alexander sauce consists of 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm going with 4. I'm gonna substitute with a little bit of olive oil. Then we have some white onion, shrimp, crawfish, cayenne pepper, half and half, and on top. I'm gonna do a little twist on it. Has cayenne pepper in it. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of sriracha. Let's do this. Look at all that butter, y'all. That's what y'all be eating at Pappadeaux. And they put more butter in there. Like, I just couldn't do 6 tablespoons. Like, what the hell? It's good, though. Alright, I dropped a little bit of the sriracha seasoning in there. I'm going to do a little bit at a time. Coming together. It is Sunday, so I'm not playing any like rap music. Alright, we got it nice and bubbly. It's got that iconic Alexander color. We got it going. Let's add our cream. Okay, we're done with our Alexander sauce. Our fish is just about done. Take our sauce, pour it right on top of our fish. Oh yeah, baby. I'm gonna let that finish cooking. Sure. What y'all eating for dinner? What y'all eating? This is so hot. But I just wanted to try the hush puppies with that sauce.